In manufacturing, success depends on what you see, and how fast you see it. But when your insights lag behind your operations, quality slips. Resources go to waste. And KPIs become just numbers on a page. That's why Calian is building a real-time analytics solution, powered by Microsoft Fabric, to give you instant visibility into production, quality, and resource utilization. With live dashboards that surface critical KPIs, and smart alerts that catch issues before they escalate, your teams can make proactive decisions, when it matters most. From the shop floor to the boardroom, everyone sees the same real-time truth. Calian and Microsoft Fabric help you unlock peak performance, reduce waste, and ensure every unit, every shift, and every second delivers value. Ready to see more, and do more? Learn more.